Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am here with what I believe to be the new 2019-2020 Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. And so, of course, I used my Deluxe Monthly Planner last year or this year, however you want to look at it, as a budget planner, which I used it for the entire year from July until June. And so it's basically time for me to start setting up my new planner. So I'm not going to be setting it up today on camera, obviously, but we are going to unbox it and compare and just kind of walk through it, contrast, all of that stuff. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and take my box cutter and cut open this box so that we can unbox it. Y'all know I live for an unboxing. Also, I am going out of town tomorrow. I'm going to Miami for 4 days for a girls trip, but I know you guys were like super interested in seeing me unbox this and like all of that, so I'm going ahead and filming the video now. Also, I'm excited because I mean, who wants to leave this box behind without looking at it? So per usual, and this box was sent to me by the folks over at Erin Condren, so shout out to them. Per usual, we get a little gift label. It says to and from and enjoy, so you know, you can use that if you so desire. Also, you get a postcard. This comes pretty standard with basically every order, especially if you order a planner. I know for sure you should get the gift label and the postcard. And this is the theme for this year, which is kaleidoscope. So I forgot, honestly, I just respond so quickly to stuff. I don't know what all I have going on. So I don't know what all I even ordered, but we're about to see. Because they asked me like what I wanted it to look like and all of that. So I forgot which design I chose. But anyway, yeah, design spotlight kaleidoscope. There's Erin Condren with her planner and her kaleidoscope shoes here for that. And yeah, so you do get a newsletter nowadays. And then here is the planner. So this is typically how it comes, with the tissue paper and a sticker that typically says enjoy. And then it normally comes in bubble wrap. Okay. So I was that simple. Okay, Shay, is that what? Okay. So I was so simple to purchase or to have them to send me the cover as my actual planner, because I also use an Erin Condren Life Planner. That is funny. So anyway, let's go ahead and like put this over here and we will flip through this guy. So Shea Budgets, and I got the Live Now cover, and this is purple and like turquoise or teal or something. I don't know what color it is. Like, I don't know which one, like what color they say that this is. Like, I don't even know if this is what they consider purple. I'm sure not. But anyway, to me, it's purple and teal. And I got the silver coil. You can get silver, you can get gold, you can get rose gold, or you can get black. And so I got silver. And that's pretty much it. This is the 7x9. Some people do get the 8.5 by 11, but I just consider that to be really massive. So I typically just go with the 7x9. So opening up, we have Deluxe Monthly on the cover. And that's pretty much it. Let's check out this one. Okay, this one, same thing. We did have that little board over here with the barcode and the asterisk over here. And then I just added in this monthly bills dashboard. You can buy this separately on the website, I think for like $4 or something. And then this actually does not have the kaleidoscope theme, but this does have the Woven Wonder theme for the 2018-2019 year. This says 2018-2019. This does too, and it does have the same color scheme like for the months. It's pretty much standard in all of the planners. This does not have a flag, and this does. And yeah, other than that, it looks pretty much similar. So moving on to the next page, we do have two quotes with the kaleidoscope theme. Moving on, we have our July 2019 through June of 2020, which is what the planner runs from July 2019 to June 2020, and then we have an additional 6 months, and you can use this for pre-planning or whatever it is that you want to use it for. And this is actually how I use mine. I just use some coordinating colors. Like, I coordinated my little key with the colors, and I just put like important information, paydays, holidays, birthdays, things that related to money. And then over here, I did the same thing. So yeah, that's pretty much how that is working out. And we did have the Woven Wonder at the top on, I believe, both pages. Yes, both pages. But here we don't have anything at the top, but we do have the kaleidoscope theme on these little strips on both pages. So that's a major difference there. And this is like a cursive script type situation, and this is not, so that's a difference as well. Okay, moving on to this, which is what I consider the goal setting pages. And over here, I was kind of using mine kind of similarly. I had taken these stickers from a sticker book and put those on here, and then I kind of just, basically I was reiterating what I put over here. So like as an example, I had July the 5th, I was going to be in Columbus, Ohio, I guess. And so over here I had July 5th, travels, and I didn't have Columbus, Ohio. I kind of just went more in detail over here. But I think that this would be a good page to goal set if you're going to use this as a budget planner. And the cool thing is, shameless plug for sure, I made some stickers that I sell in my Etsy shop, and I don't know why I didn't make myself 2 of them, but I'll go back and make some more. But look how cute these are. And I put these in my Erin Condren Life Planner. So if you would like to order some for July through June, then make sure that you hit up my Etsy shop. And the reason why I did it like this is because I'm starting this planner in July, I'm starting this planner in July, and I just went ahead and color coordinated that. So if you wanted this to be like January, then I'm not going to really be of help to you there unless I go back and I change the colors. But this is only good for like July through June if you use the academic planners, or like technically it's like the academic year. So there's that. But that's how I was using this goal setting page, and I didn't really use it a whole lot, honestly. But I like this one because it has lines and it's far more structured. They're dotted lines, kind of faint, can't really see them too much, but I love anything with some structure. Moving on to the first page of the planner. So last time we had this, which I think I have not used every one of them at the front of the page. So for so for April I didn't use mine. So this is what it would look like. I actually do use the first note page, but in April I did not. But this is what it looked like last year. We had the asterisk and the flag, and now we have the hexagon, and we actually have like a strip at the top of the page, and it's gray. Even though this is a neutral planner, it's actually gray. I mean, even though this is a colorful planner, this is actually gray. So that's quite interesting. But this actually will be better because when you're using like washi strips, like as an example, here is one of the washi strips that I would use up here in my budget planner. This is going to be so much easier to cover up and like use the sticker for, as opposed to this one, because unless you went to the tip top, you couldn't cover up the color behind it, and that bothered me a little bit. So this is going to be so much easier to kind of just lay down. And I'm trying to see, yeah, I'm probably going to have to make my stickers a little thinner now, because they actually might be okay. Actually, that's probably the perfect size to cover up that completely, but it'll come down to definitely that line. Anyway, we do have the kaleidoscope theme over here in a quote, and for this one we had the Woven Wonder theme, but you could basically barely see it. It was kind of faint, and the blue matched with the tab, as opposed to this year the kaleidoscope is just kind of everywhere, and that's pretty much what we're working with. But this hexagon does match. I did notice that on all of them. But other than that, it's a lot going on with that hexagon. I mean, with that kaleidoscope back there. Okay, so here is the next page. So this is actually super cool and great to use for budgeting. Like, now that they have this going on, you can do your birthdays, you can do your monthly goals, you can do whatever you want to do there. Like, I sell Some of the stickers that I sell have, like, I threw in a few different scripts, so you could track savings there, you could track income there, debt, your expenses, or you can do your budget review there, or you can do something here. So, you know, there are definitely some ways that you can make use of this for sure. So I really like this because you can, like I said, if you're using it for budgeting, you can put your financial goals there and or what have you. So I really do like this. So I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet, but yeah, this is a page that we absolutely did not have in this planner. It just went from the notes page to the monthly spread. So this is a new page that we have. And on the back, we have the monthly spread. And so this is July, and I'm looking at July last year. Again, the kaleidoscope basically is just everywhere in this planner, and is way more of the color and the kaleidoscope and way less of, like, you know, this, because this is just kind of like a blue woven wonder situation, and this is just, I think it looks very appealing, but it's just kind of like color everywhere. The kaleidoscope theme is literally everywhere, but there is the difference there. I should really be showing you guys, maybe next video I will show you guys how my stickers will fit in this planner, but I don't want to lay down July stickers yet, although that is what I will be using for July. So I don't know what I'm actually going to do as far as stickers and such go, because I was trying to match things up, but this is just a whole lot. This just kind of throws things off a whole lot, but we'll work it out. Anyway, here is the monthly spread. One major difference is we don't have this flag and the asterisk over there. We have a shaded notes section, and then we do have the kaleidoscope down here. The font is a little different, but that's pretty much not that big of a deal, and that's pretty much the only difference for the monthly spread. Moving on, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4 notes pages. So all together, because this is for August, all together we have 5 notes pages. Yeah, we have 5 pages for notes. 1, and this is gray and not blue, which I think is so funny, but gray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 notes pages. And last year, or this year, technically we had the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one was in the front, of course. So same situation there, but the difference was we didn't have, oh, okay, we had the flag at the top of each page. So last year we had a flag at the top of each page, and this year, of course, we have the hexagon, and we do have the asterisk, and it's lower, so it's going to be much easier for sticker laying purposes if you're interested in laying stickers. Okay, so here's August. Here is September. Here's October. I'm just gonna flip through just a few. Here's November. Here's December. January. February. March. April. May. And good old June. And then July. Wait, why do I have July to July? Huh, that's interesting. I have July through July, which of course, I don't know what happened there, but this one ended in June, obviously. This is the last month in this one, and this one has July, so I don't know what's going on there. But I was like, why am I doing July again? But yeah, we have July in here, so I don't know if that's a thing or a mistake, but I'm thankful for that. And then let's see, after July, which technically ends 1, 2, 3, 4, technically ends here. We have that, and then we have green. I don't know, I think this is a mistake. I don't know what's going on there. And then we do have this, which is kind of good for future planning, and I'll show you what happened at the end of this. See, this went from the green June. Well, I had that too. I don't know what that is. And then this looks basically the exact same, except the font has changed and they have added more structure here. This is lined, whereas this is not. And then we go to our notes pages, and we have a bunch of notes pages, which is cool. A bunch of different colors, basically every color, which is great, especially if you're using this for finances. Definitely need notes pages. And I think you can get an option where you have like 80 notes pages, but I mean, this is already thick enough. I don't need 80. 40 is plenty. And then let's see what we have in the back. We do have some stickers in the back. And here are the stickers that we get. And we used to get these, or this is what we got this year. And then we have another page. Okay, so that's what we get. Yeah, this is what we get, what we got for 2018-2019, and this is for 2019-2020. And then we do have the pocket in the back, which is great because I do put bills and such in the back. And so I also keep my scrap stickers in the back. And so here was last year's or this year's pockets, technically this year's still. And then that was the back of the pocket, shine your brightest. And then that doesn't have anything. Also, the pocket is different. So this was very much different, which you can't really fit anything in there anyway, if I'm being honest. But they decided to make this the same. This is just foil. This has foil and this does not. And then that's the back, which probably looks similar to last year. Yes. So here is the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. And like I said, it literally is the same as this planner, which this is the life planner that I'll be using. But I do want to show you guys, first of all, this is 13 months technically, right? Yeah. And then this is 18 months, and look how much thicker this is. It's crazy. And this does have the gold foil, and this has platinum, technically is what it's called. But like I said, I guess I was very basic to get the same cover, so that's super funny to me. But anyway, just wanted to flip through this with you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the description, not in the description box, in the comments section. I can answer them. I can definitely try to point out things if I have forgotten. And of course, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because if I have forgotten anything, then I will show you guys over on Instagram at Shay Budget. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.